Hello, in this video I'm gonna perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So I'm connected to Wi-Fi 6 network. I'm also using the same internet on my PC, and I have performed the same test on PC already, and I'm gonna share the difference in a short while. So first we're gonna perform the test to see how it looks like on this device. There we go. So of course it needs to we need to wait a couple of seconds before the test is performed, but we can see how it performs already. So it's pretty decent. We have 182 megabits per second. And then we have the upload. And the upload reaches 83, 84 maybe? No, 83.7 megabits per second. So this is the result of this device. And over here we have the detailed results, which is, I think, pretty good. However, compared to PC, and I have to mention that I'm using the Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi on my PC. So the difference is that on PC I have 821, almost 22 megabits per second of download. However, the upload is pretty much the same. So the difference is only on the download side. It's definitely smaller than what it could have been, but at the same time this is just Wi-Fi instead of the Ethernet cable, so I guess that's the biggest difference. So I would say it's still pretty good, it's still pretty fast. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!